Okay, this is weird. This is a mud rain right here. This happened 2 days ago. And it's the second time I've seen it this year. Where, look at that, all the drops come down and they're just covered in mud. Every car around here is like that. Let's see if you can see on the hood. Can't see it as good on there, but they're on there, little raindrops of mud. And saw it when I was going to school today. Every car in the parking lot has it. Just full of mud. It's kind of weird. Car washers are getting their money's worth. It's kind of weird, man. Every car is like this. Muddy rain. Okay, here's another car. You can see the drops really good on this one against the blue coloring. See each individual drop on there. Look at the glass. It's on the glass again. It's on all that. A little mirror here.